Ginger potato rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most nutritious of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes. Today we are going to make ginger potato rice. The ingredients are around 75 grams of ginger, 15 grams of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 1 potato peeled and cut into pieces, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 cup of rice. We have taken long grain rice. Take 2.5 cups of water in a pan and bring it to a boil. Keep the water to boil. Now put in a pinch of salt. And let the water boil further. Pour in 5 ml of oil. And let the water boil. Now put in the soaked and washed rice into the water. Now let the rice cook for 15 minutes. The rice is ready and rice can be taken off the flame and used to make the dish further. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the onion pieces. Put in the garlic. Put in the salad. put in the ginger piece. Put in the potato mix that up. Mix the potato pieces with the rest of the mixture. Mix the ginger and the potato pieces thoroughly with each other, so that the flavor of the ginger gets into the potato pieces. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Ginger potato onion mixture. Thoroughly mix. Put in 2 spoons of garam masala or mixture spices. Mix. Mix the garam masala or mixture spices with the potatoes and the ginger and the shallots. Mix thoroughly. So that garam masala or mixture of spices gets nicely mixed with the rest of the ingredients. Now put in 2 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. Now let the mixture cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Add water if necessary. Now after 15 minutes add 15 to 20 ml of yogurt, mix, mix under low flame. Now put in the rice little by little. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix the rice with the rest of the mixture. And let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. This is the final ginger potato rice. Now it is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final ginger potato rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most nutritious of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.